You know what's going on. Let them know.
I tried to tell them they weren't listening when I said something. And I know all my exes miss the rest now. And I used to be broke, but I got bread now.
So cute, y'all. So, and the lashes feel super soft.
They ain't leave me with nothing but scars. People leaving, trust me, it was hard. Hit my knees and I looked up to God. Fell in love with some bitches, had love for some niggas that weren't really with me. I didn't know it existed.
Super easy to put on. Like, I just sit that on top of my lash. And I can barely put on lashes, so that's I'm gonna put on one on camera because it's super lightweight. Like, it looks like it's big and intimidating, but it's not.
I never argued, I followed the leader. Kept all my problems a secret. I saw my heart was in pieces. Don't wake me up if I'm dreaming, cause if I ain't dreaming, every day I wake up chasing the dream and get harder to see. Baby mama calling, texting, saying she stressing. Bitches calling, being petty. Shouldn't let her in, but I let her. Thought we'd be friends forever. Should've knew better. And you feel it talking reckless. These niggas so disrespectful. I'm playing chess, never checkers. Still with my day one niggas for the else. It's DG forever. I tried to tell them they weren't listening when I said something. And I know all my exes miss the rest now. And I used to be broke, but I got bread now. I was cursed when I was born, a nigga blessed now.
What's up, everybody? So I'm finished, and yeah. How y'all like the lashes? They look legit. Okay, so once again, the brand I'm using is iBlink Lashes by MsLandry. And it's super pretty. The one who succeeds. Go check out her Instagram, y'all. Definitely for other styles of the lashes. This is the Natural Poetic 2018 collection. So yeah, y'all, that's the end of the video. A link will be down below for these lashes. And this is the Nalia, hope I'm saying that right, lashes. So that's the style. So definitely go check out below, go check out the link, check out the other styles y'all might love. And yeah, y'all go check out these as well. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video for more. And yeah, I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Cause I know what you've been through. I told you